Beyond money, what drives the billionaire obsession? Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. There's an undeniable fascination with the billionaire lifestyle that goes beyond just money. From their lavish lifestyles, power, and innovation, to their philanthropic efforts, the world seems to have an insatiable curiosity about what it truly means to have a net worth with so many zeros. However, it's not just the material wealth that captures our attention, but the unique drive, ambition, and innovation that have made them billionaires in the first place. Let's delve into the complex dynamics of what really drives the billionaire obsession. Obsession 1. The allure of wealth. The phrase, "money isn't everything, but it sure does help," holds significant weight when discussing the fascination with billionaires. Their extraordinary financial capacity allows them a level of financial freedom and security that the average individual can only daydream about. This vast wealth permits them the privilege to indulge in the finest things life can offer. Picture a life filled with mega yachts, luxurious private jets, sprawling estates, and extravagant getaways. But it's not just about these indulgences. The wealth of a billionaire also opens doors to endless opportunities and possibilities, thus giving them a degree of freedom that's truly enviable. Their ability to navigate life without worrying about financial constraints is an aspect that undoubtedly fuels our fixation on billionaires. Obsession 2. The power and influence. An undeniable component of the billionaire fascination lies in their profound power and influence. Their significant wealth places them in unique positions to sway societal, political, and economic currents. They command enormous influence, whether it's in shaping market trends, driving technological advancements, or even influencing policy changes. Often, their opinions and decisions can impact entire industries or economies, making them key players in the global arena. This immense power can also extend into their ability to create or disrupt job markets, make significant contributions to scientific and technological progress, and even influence public opinion on a range of issues. From donating substantial funds to political campaigns to establishing influential think tanks, billionaires have the power to shape the world around them. It's this extraordinary ability to make a lasting impact that contributes to our fascination with them. We find ourselves drawn to their remarkable influence and the ripple effects it can have on society. This interest in their power and influence is a reflection of our acknowledgement of their considerable reach and our desire to comprehend the scope of their impact. Obsession 3. The success story and determination. Behind every billionaire's net worth lies an intriguing narrative of unwavering determination and remarkable resilience. These tales of success are typically strewn with instances of great perseverance, creativity, calculated risk-taking, and relentless hard work. These extraordinary journeys, from laying the foundation of their billion-dollar empires to scaling unimaginable heights, are deeply inspiring and strike a chord with us. Such captivating stories speak to the enduring human spirit, the audacity to dream big, and the courage to turn these dreams into reality, irrespective of the obstacles. This aspect stokes our obsession as it plants the seed of possibility that even we could rise to such levels of success with the right mix of grit, vision, and tenacity. It's not merely about the economic victory, but the fascinating journey undertaken to reach these pinnacles of success. The inspiration derived from these narratives is a key part of what fuels our collective fascination with billionaires. These tales reveal the human side of these magnates, their struggles, their failures, and their triumphs, allowing us to relate to them and fueling our fascination even further. Obsession 4. The pursuit of innovation and excellence. A vital component that fuels the flames of the billionaire obsession is their relentless spirit of innovation and the continuous quest for excellence. These self-made billionaires and individuals are nothing short of modern-day pioneers. Their tenacity to challenge the status quo and consistently push the boundaries is what sets them apart. They're trailblazers, always in the pursuit of transformative ideas and technologies that revolutionize entire industries and profoundly influence our way of life. Their innovative spirit is reflected in their groundbreaking businesses, from commercial space travel and electric vehicles to e-commerce and beyond. They're not just businessmen, they are visionaries who dare to venture into uncharted territories, turning the impossible into possible. Their undying pursuit of excellence compels them to constantly raise the bar, pushing their teams and companies to consistently improve and outperform. It is this relentless drive, this constant quest for better, more efficient, and revolutionary products or services that keeps them at the top of their game. This unyielding desire for innovation and excellence is, in essence, what makes these billionaires so compelling. The disruptive and transformative impact they make on the world captivates our attention, further fueling our fascination with them. Obsession 5. The Philanthropy. Notable billionaires have shown a different side of their immense wealth, the philanthropic side. They've made grand pledges to dedicate a substantial part of their fortune to the betterment of humanity and have made good on these promises. These gestures of goodwill demonstrate that their tremendous wealth is not merely for self-gratification or power. Instead, they're channeled towards driving positive change in society, contributing to causes such as education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation, among others. Billionaire philanthropy is not just about writing checks, it's about investing in change. These individuals leverage their resources, connections, and influence to make strides in various sectors and bring about significant, lasting improvements. Their philanthropic work often extends beyond borders, reaching underprivileged communities worldwide. The philanthropic endeavors of billionaires add a layer of complexity to their public persona, showcasing that there's more to their wealth than luxurious living. It's about using their wealth to leave a positive mark on the world. It makes us appreciate their capacity to affect change on a larger scale and adds to our intrigue about them. The philanthropy of billionaires speaks to our shared humanity and compassion, making them relatable and further fueling our fascination. Obsession 6. The Mystery and Privacy. Billionaires, despite their well-known public personas, often maintain an enigmatic aura that intrigues us. The seemingly inaccessible aspects of their lives only serve to heighten our curiosity. This includes everything from how they strategically deploy their wealth, the business decisions they make behind closed doors, their daily habits, and personal pastimes. These unknown elements present an enticing enigma that we find ourselves compelled to unravel. Despite being in the public eye, these magnates manage to preserve a certain degree of privacy, which adds to the allure. They maintain a balance between public revelation and personal discretion, creating an intriguing dichotomy. This veil of mystery that enshrouds their lives fuels our fascination and further deepens our obsession with understanding these tycoons and the intricate dynamics that drive their extraordinary lives. This sense of intrigue and fascination with the unknown reminds us that, in many ways, billionaires are a breed apart, with their private lives just as captivating as their public personas. Obsession 7. The Illusion of Success and Achievement. A significant contributor to our fascination with billionaires is the enticing perception of their incredible success. Amassing a fortune or building a business empire is often seen as an unparalleled level of accomplishment that countless individuals aspire to reach. There's a prevailing notion that equates wealth with success, leading to the belief that having $1 billion signifies the ultimate attainment of personal and professional goals. Yet this perspective often overlooks the determination, hard work, and innovative thinking required to achieve such wealth. This, in turn, perpetuates the illusion that financial abundance is the single most definitive marker of achievement. This illusion is not only misleading, but also simplifies the multifaceted nature of success. focusing solely on its financial aspect and ignoring other integral components such as personal satisfaction, passion, and positive impact on society. Obsession 8. The lifestyle and materialistic aspirations. Our infatuation with billionaires extends into the realm of their luxurious living and extravagant possessions. These ultra-wealthy individuals have access to the most opulent items and experiences the world has to offer, from yachts, private jets, and palatial residences, to exclusive fashion and priceless artifacts. It's not just the possession of these expensive items that captivates us, but also the freedom and seemingly limitless choices that their wealth affords them. For many, this spectacle of a billionaire lifestyle breeds materialistic aspirations. People start to equate happiness and success with the ability to acquire these high-end luxuries. Such desires are often reinforced by a culture that emphasizes material prosperity as a benchmark of personal accomplishment. However, it's essential to consider that while these materialistic aspirations may provide temporary satisfaction, they often overshadow the significance of non-materialistic success indicators. The focus on the acquisition of luxury goods can obscure the reality of billionaires' lives, which often involve relentless work, high-pressure decisions, and a constant need for innovation and risk-taking. This distorted perception contributes to our enduring fascination with their lives, and more importantly, our understanding of what success truly entails. Obsession 9. The psychological aspect of aspiration and envy. In dissecting our preoccupation with billionaires, one can't overlook the complex emotional terrain that this fascination traverses. It's a realm rife with aspiration and envy, a psychological tightrope that both beckons and repels us. These ultra-wealthy figures stand as towering testaments of what individuals can potentially achieve, stoking our aspirations. Their triumphant narratives of success often prompt us to dream bigger, to reach higher, and to redefine our own boundaries of success. However, as much as billionaires symbolize the apex of achievement, they can also become a mirror reflecting our own shortcomings, fueling feelings of envy. Their seemingly untouchable wealth and extravagant lifestyles can exacerbate our own insecurities, instigating a corrosive comparison game that can lead to resentment. These complex emotional reactions contribute to our ongoing fixation on billionaires. Interestingly, these feelings of aspiration and envy are not mutually exclusive, but rather intertwine in a complicated dance. The awe and admiration for the accomplishments of these financial titans are often tinged with envy for what they have and the power they wield. This emotional interplay deepens our fascination and draws us back, time and again, to their stories, decisions, and the colossal influence they have on society. Understanding this psychological dichotomy provides a more comprehensive insight into our collective billionaire obsession. Obsession 10. The impact of media and pop culture. The media and pop culture, with their amplifying effects, undeniably play a pivotal role in escalating our fascination with billionaires. The rich and famous often become central characters in a media narrative that is packed with glamour, power, and intrigue. Their lifestyle and achievements are perpetually highlighted, often with an exaggerated emphasis on their wealth and extravagance, fostering a certain mythology around them. Moreover, pop culture, through films, TV series, and social media, further idolizes the ultra-wealthy, crafting narratives that range from the aspirational to the scandalous. It feeds into our pre-existing notions of success, power, and luxury, turning billionaires into larger-than-life figures. This relentless media coverage and pop culture spotlight play to our natural curiosity, encouraging our obsession. It's worth noting, however, that this portrayal often lacks depth, focusing primarily on the superficial aspects of a billionaire's life, while underplaying the grit, innovation, and dedication that underpins their success. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe to watch more videos like this and also share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Write "I subscribed" in the comment section below and let us know of topics that interest you in the subject of finance. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. There's more waiting to be learned in our next video. Please click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.